Yeah, I don't know. Okay, IQ, that made it even more confusing. Just put a rectangle on like where you think where you're saying the zone is.
I can't even see anything.
And close to getting here. Okay, we got a tap. See if we can get a juicy break without tapping the red.
Bro, what was up with the sell-off at midnight last night?
I don't know what. We had a crazy sell up. Oh yeah, we did. Oh yeah, we tapped the red SMA. Yeah, what was that? What the hell? No, we're getting weirdly like weird volatility today. Just randomly gets active. Dog Zabuza, where did you even mark out, bruh? You just marked out like these candles up here. Zabuza. Oh, Amir, that's what you're talking. Oh, I see the zone, Amir. I see it. I see it, bro. Oh, that zone IQ. Let me see. I'm still confused. You marked out the same zone that he was talking about. If you re-enter, you'll be my liquidity. That's crazy, Hunter. You're saying you'll be his liquidity. Personally, I'm not taking that. Personally, I wouldn't take that. It's beef for me.
I ain't gonna say nothing. Where'd you hear I was re-entering though?
Yeah, I didn't hear that either. Guys, we're almost at 1,000 members. 1,000 members, I'll do another giveaway. Another giveaway for a juicy funded account. You're gonna give away a funded account? Yeah, Demala. We did a giveaway like I don't even know. I think like a month or two ago. It's gonna be eval because I can't give away a funded, and I can't guarantee you'll get a funded either. But I'll do a 50K challenge account for Top Step or what's it called? Apex.
Bro, you need to just pass it for him and then give it to him.
Oh yeah, so they blow it right after because if they can't pass it themselves, then it's a waste. Last giveaway super dodgy. Now, what are the chances Blake would have won, bro?
Yeah, I find that a little odd that somehow Blake wins.
Bro, I did it live with. I did it live on call. I literally did a random number, bro.
I think everybody in here knows that shit was rigged.
So let me borrow $50. I'll flip it. All right, buddy. I've seen 2 reviews from Blake. He cheated. Next time, if the winner wasn't on call, he should be disqualified. It's not about how hard the fall is, about who's the hardest. Who's the hardest? Yo, what? Okay, bro. The IQ. You know what you're trying to say, bro. Why are you lying? Kazi, saying that while watching two dudes on a stream is actually crazy. Oro's the hardest when Hunter speaks. Actually, the roles are reversed. Hunter's the hardest when Oro speaks. Yes, sir. Why can't we all be hard? Yeah, why can't we all just be equally hard? Just be fair and square. Bro, who drinks Dr. Pepper? That shit's ass. Bro, just drink sparkling water, bro. Carbonated water, come on. Dr. Pepper Cherry Zero. It's literally poison, bro. Okay, buddy. But water, fresh air and shit, bro. Fresh air, touching grass, water. That's all you need. Alright, see this bad boy rip you up here and then pull back. Only Saratoga water. If we can low-key get a nice rally up from here, I feel like we can get a nice 1 minute zone right here. Potentially. Dax, what did you say? Is if this anything? Bruh, who that? That GD goes hard though, I'm not gonna lie. Goofy ass, the bottom was goofy. Mark this up because I want to see us break the swing high right now first, and then look for another pullback opportunity. Why is every successful trader against ICT? Oh, buddy. I come trades. ICT so forced. Because ICT himself can't even trade, and he takes concepts, makes it more complicated, and then rebrands it as his own. And the way he's created this cult of like traders who like think that he's like the god of trading. I complicate things. Or do you eat meat? Yes, I do. Okay, pause. Wait, pause. Like ICT's concepts, like majority of ICT's concepts, if not all of them, are stuff that's been already like created by other people in the past. And he's just taken it, rebranded, and like added a little bit of complication to it. He thinks he can move. Yeah, exactly. He made the
I
algo.
didn't take that trade because I didn't like the RR on it. It was only a 1-to-1. And the entry candle wasn't
Would you say, Hunter, we have a zone down here or no? Like before this like move up.
not really to me.
Hmm. Okay, we tap my shit real quick.
Because it went like chop bullish, chop bullish.
Yeah, I was like, Jesus Christ, bro, what is this dump? Nah, but ICT goated, bro. ICT, mentor of your mentor, bro. 100%. I see a double top inverse flag pattern. I'm entering full port. Okay, bro. Hey, yo, that's valid. That's a valid pattern right there, bro. Follow me, guys. Let's all just spam the buy button. We'll move the market a little bit.
Our fake money.
With our sim fundeds.
The whole concept, bro, is so weird still to me.
What, fundeds?
Yeah.
No, it's actually insane. Like, who thought of this shit?
Smart.
Who was the first person to think of fundeds, bro? It is a really smart business model. It's like casino level 2.
Yeah. I read that only 1% of traders ever receive a payout. You think
Really. I think what I heard, I think it was like 20 to 30% of traders get funded that ever like purchase an eval. And then I think it said 10 to 20% of that get to pay a first payout, and I think it said like around 5% of that group end up getting consistent. 5 to 10% of that group end up getting consistent payouts, or like then up to like the next four payouts. So I think it's like basically temp like the first round of traders that get funded is like 20%. Second round is gonna be 2% left, like out of the total like initial group. There's 2% that get to payout, and there's like 0.2% that get to consistent payouts. I mean, I think that's valid. I will say that's valid. Every like 200 people get a payout. Hey, yo, Aro's bank account's gone. Oh no, bro's up. Bro's green. 9.99% quit before their big win. Guys, we got the CISD with the SMT on ES, and we got the highs correlating with the inverse rally gap with the displacement of the downside hitting equilibrium, causing air for a rally gap. CISD to get smacked. Now he targets session highs and lows, and then London. Head ass. Got the nerd glasses on. Don't forget turtle soup. You know, turtle soup was actually something that was created like 12 years ago or something by this woman named Linda Rashk, I believe. She created turtle soup because if you guys don't know, there's these group of traders called turtle traders back in like the 90s or something. Basically, oh my god, what the hell is that? What the hell is that, bro? Oh my goodness. Nah, my charts would lag so bad. That looks bearish though. I'm not gonna lie, go to that. I'm getting a bearish signal confirmation from that. Trust? Okay, I trust you. Wait for ask for his explanation. Solar system strat. Nah, bro, the astrology strat on top, bro. 100%. If you guys aren't using astrology in your trades, that's probably why you're unprofitable. Like, right now, if you're a Scorpio, it's the best time to buy right now. But if you're a Cancer, then you gotta wait until we move up a little bit. Okay, Blake. He was sleeping on the first presented fair gap with new day opening gap in equilibrium. Sun. Wait, what? Is that bro's chart? Amir, first fair rally gap literally like got failed today. Isn't this the first fair value gap? Got cooked. I mean, obviously it's not gonna cook every day, but uses an IFVG, but it's a choppy day. Yeah, now we gotta get a rally back up for this bad boy. Dog, there's no way you wrote all that. That has to be from like Google. Okay, start exploring other futures such as silver and gold futures. Much better paid than NQ at times. Really? We'll see bad boy gold.
Like, you try calling?
Yeah, Blake, call their number.
Every time I call it, I can't get through to anybody else.
Did you call within the times though?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, gold did have a valid move towards market open today off the strat. And then we got a loss after that right here. But the win is a lot bigger than the loss. I see a lot of people like starting to look at gold now. They're like, everyone's like trading gold. Everyone's like, oh, gold's better. Oh, what car you got? Bro, I got the Mazda, bro. I got my OG Mazda. I got a Mazda 6 right now. But I'm looking to upgrade to like a G82 if I can find a good one. Because I've had my Mazda for a while. I had it to go to college and back, and ever since I haven't been going to college over like a decent amount of months. It's time to upgrade. Why no college? Because day trading is the way. Only reason I went to college is because I didn't want to cut off that. First of all, because my parents didn't want me to, and I didn't want to cut it off too early. But now that I'm actually getting like long-term results, my parents are seeing it play off. It's like, also I need to take matter into my own hands, bro. Can't let my parents control everything. Amir's the CEO of my for the futures. Or how old are you? I'm 20 years old. This is crazy. My parents do. They do. Trust me, they do. Even with all this money, they still do.
Profile picture fake.
Profile fake. Fiji water, bro. Breast skills is 20. No, that's crazy. He's racking it up like crazy at 20. I'm sure he's making like upwards to like minimum 100K months. 300K. I'm sure he's racking up on probably almost a mil a month. How's he doing that? He does brand lance freeing, free scaling. Basically. He does lance brand freeing. That's what he does. He freelanced and scaled it. Dog. TGR is at a mil a month. Maybe. TGR is probably making also a mil a month. Definitely not from trading though, but probably a mil a month. How much in payouts have you had from how much in payouts you've had Aro from Apex? A little above 6 figures. So above like 100K. But it was anything but trade. Is Apex worth it? I like it. I know a lot of people complain about it. It does have slightly more rules, but I've been with it for so long to the point where I understand all the rules, and my strategy is already also kind of built around that. Low RR, not having crazy, like, huge take profits. Okay, buddy. Well, the rules for payouts, there's like a decent amount of rules. Like, it's the general rules, consistency rule. You need 5 winning days that are $50 or more, and then you need another 3 winning days, like total, so 8 total winning days. There's like decent amount. There's a decent amount of rules, but like it's the regular basics. Yeah. The aftercare. Hey, actually, what is this price action? We're forming a, yo, we're forming a triangle. Hey, we got a nice trend line right here too. That's part of this extended triangle. No, we gotta break out right now, bro. We gotta break out. My Fund the Futures has no activation fee, but like a kind of more expensive eval. But Apex has an activation fee. For your strategy, no problem, so reliable. That's why I like lower RR, or I like nothing like 1 to 5, 1 to 4, because just less losing streaks is really good for prop firms, at least from my experience. Oh, that's 100% bullish IQ.
Or you ever think that some of the people in here don't know when you're being sarcastic?
I mean, mostly y'all know. Mostly y'all probably know. I think they're all. I think they all know that I'm sarcastic.
Or because like this triangle shit, I mean that shit you see on YouTube.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah, that makes sense. I just watched that.
Oh, that's the video I watched. Oh, he's applying it. I see it works. Or causing new people to blow their fund is using sarcasm. Now we all know Hunter secretly trades with triangles. Trump's supposed to speak at like 4 p.m.
Just love geometry.
Yeah, geometry, bro. You gotta incorporate it a little bit. Some rectangles, some triangles. You already got the rectangles. Now I gotta just show us the triangles.
I'm trying to incorporate circles right now.
Oh yeah, you gotta get the sun and moon in there too. Yo, IQ, that's smart. That's smart though. The butterfly strategy. If you look strictly at the live train chat, you would think this is a dog. This is what happens when market starts to chop, bro. No, actually, what is price action today? Can someone please explain? The weeks in a row is not normal. See, I tell the price action to be a good boy, and now they're gonna start pumping. Such a good boy. Okay, bro. Buy challenge trap has ChatGPT sends screenshots. Bro, I see people do that now. They like send screenshots to like this AI that like tells them whether. Okay, bro. Whether to go long or short and like stop us and TP. There's no way that actually works. Weather, man. Let's see. trees. I don't even know if ChatGPT will be a profitable trader. Or are you trading PM session? No, I don't. I go live sometimes in the PM session, but I don't trade in the PM session. I've just never liked the like the price movement in the PM session in the past like years that I've been trading. So I never looked into it. I know a lot of people are like, oh, a lot of people trade PM session, like especially recently. Oh, share clan. I got you. Let me send you the ID. I don't know. It might be full. How many trophies are you at, Aro? 5,300. All right. When you get to 6,000, when you get to 6 bandos, let me know. I'll add you in there. Right now it's full. This PA is so far.
You guys start hearing my dog, just let me know.
No, we didn't hear anything. Lynn, there's no activation for Express from my from the futures. Their structures, the expert accounts are a little different than like a typical funded account. Basically, the expert accounts make it so you have like very little restriction generally, but yeah, it's longer to get to payout. It's like 14 calendar days or something. I would recommend a starter or a starter plus, probably starter, for just starting out. Two days pass. No, yeah, that's the only difference. There's like no consistency on funded versus consistency on funded. Payout cycle for my funded futures is the same as Top Step, I believe. It's like 5 trading days. 5 trading days for 50K, it's $100 or more. No, there's no, the profit split is you're just capped at 1,200 for your first like 4 for your first like 5 payouts or something. You capped at 1,200 per week. Amir, when does the payout cap like go away? On a regular account. Oh, it's always 1,200. I swear it said somewhere that the cap goes away. After 30 days, I think that's the case. We'll have to double check. Yeah, 30 winning days, right? And you can request all. Yeah, that's what I was trying to see. You're trying to yellow? Yeah, I do, Jordan. I trade up till 11 a.m. Eastern time, like usually. Then I'm off. I'm gonna watch a TikTok live, so Hunter, be careful what you're saying. If you think it might it might be bad for TikTok, then just don't say it.
I get you, man.
Nah, if you get me banned, I'm blowing all your funded accounts. Also, if you want me on Clash. Manny, you're too much of a sweat, bro. Stop playing Clash and just start backtesting. This guy Manny's at like 9,000 trophies with like maxed out league. Someone guess a song for $10. What song? Dog, why are you playing games, IQ? And who the hell plays Battlefront? Yeah, it's definitely a good day to be locked out on Top Step. Or get that verified check on TikTok. Somebody are copying you and trying to follow me. How do I even get a I don't think I can get a verification on TikTok. Ever since I was legit, I knew I could take. Okay, bro. Bro, Kazi, like that's the number one TikTok song, bro. How long you and Daryl been trading? I've been trading for 4.5 years. Daryl's been trading for 5.5 years. So he started a year before me. Yes, a song for $10. What?
I was telling Blake they resolved my payout.
Oh. What was you trading first? Like market or well, I was still trading SPY. I started with SPY. Strat, brother. I've been through so many strats. There was no strat, brother. Oh, actually, I'll tell you the strat. The strat actually was chart patterns. It was triangles, trend lines on options and whatnot. Triangles, trend lines, ascending triangle. Bro, there's just one trade I took that I absolutely cooked the market with an ascending triangle. It was like PM, it was like literally like 20 minutes before market closes. I had like this triangle, bro, I thought it was a shit. I had this triangle marked out like this, and then I had like the other part of the triangle. I was like, bro, it's forming a perfect triangle. As soon as it started like building momentum on the breakout, I bought and fucking flew, and I was like, I'm the fucking GOAT. And then 2 months later, everything went down the drain. What?
That's why you got all these hurt feelings with triangles, huh?
Oh, facts. I got deep trauma with it. What y'all think about? I'm thinking nothing right now, Jordan, bro. We are like very choppy. I'm waiting for price to break the swing high first before I like to take a long position. Auro's an acute triangle. Blake is an obtuse, obese triangle.
How much do you think you lost in options?
Dog, I don't think I know exactly how much I lost. I lost like 1,800. No, 1,400.
That's not bad.
With options, I lost 1,400, and then I was playing with shares before that. I lost around. I lost shares was earlier, and then I started options later down. I lost like a few hundred with shares. Options, I lost 1,400, and then with fundeds, I lost a few. I lost like almost a little over 1,000, I would say. So I was in the hole about like almost 3 grand.
Gosh, I wish I could say that.
Wait, why? What? You lost less or lost more?
Bro,
More?
before I started getting these payouts over the past 3 years, I'd say I'm down 20 grand.
20 grand. Dog. How do you lose? How are you down 20 grand?
I don't know, if I scroll through the amount of evals I bought, along with along with the amount of money I dumped in options accounts.
Did you start? So you started with options first?
Yeah. Well, no, technically I started with forex.
Forex. Did you lose money in Forex too?
Do what?
Did you lose money in Forex too, or was it like just demo trading Forex?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I did go on one run with options though. I turned 2K to 12K. I thought I was the shit.
Mm.
Blew it all.
Oh my god. That's how it is. That's literally how it is. Bro, I don't get it though. Like every beginner, when you start trading, you make money. Like somehow you make money when you start, but then you just lose it after like 4 months.
Yeah.
Like, how's that work?
I don't know.
Is this valid? Wait, what part? There was I see a valid trade right there. Off of that candle that tapped in there. My first top step account, 32 winning. This added for 8. Your first account? That's crazy. You had it for 8 months? Bro's top step account was a personal account, bro. It's late beginners like this trade on 200 can make $100 a day within a month. No, bro, like I literally scaled my $400 to like 1,800. And then I went back, I lost all 1,400 profit. But I scaled from 400 to 1,800 in the span of 4 months. And I was like, dude, this shit's fucking light work. And then I got hit with reality. About time. The tiny green line is I took that. Yeah, it looks valid, but your entry was a little late, Everest. Your entry was a little late. You had to enter on that green count that has like wicks on both sides. The close of that candle. Or like the open of the next one, I guess. Yeah, incident and you take profit would be at the top of that swing high right there. Q Banks took all his Forex money. Blake has something with Q Banks, bro.
Eubanks used to be my idol.
Nah, Q Banks on top, bro. Best trader in the world. Sarcasm, guys. Just need to be clear with it. Hater. Alex Santi. Who's Alex Santi? I don't know who that is. Oh, is this fat guy? Mr. Forex? Dog, if your name is Mr. Forex, you have to be a fake trader. Some guy trades US 30. FX Alex G.
Alex G's the goat.
Oh yeah, bro. Just easily just 100 to a mil, bro. Light work. Like it's nothing, bro. Yeah.
Shit was crazy.
It is crazy. But I didn't even look into too much about it, honestly.
Bro, he did it live though.
Did he?
Yeah, it was all live. So he didn't like bullshit it.
There's no way.
I swear.
I don't know.
It was even documented in a YouTube video.
I don't know. You gotta look into that. Or what would you do if you started trading in this PA? Dog, why are you trying to push me to like blow my accounts? I would not do anything. I'd turn off my computer if I only had to trade this PA. It looks like markets literally just closed. Like market's not supposed to be open today.
I don't know what's going on.
I mean, look, Hunter. Here's the thing with doing it live. He could have also had like multiple accounts at the same time, cause like I don't know. There's like ways around that. I'm sure he's like, bro, 100 to a mil is not easy.
No, that shit's like unreal.
I don't know if he actually did it. Props, but I don't know. He does have like a lot of funny content though. Like he does a lot of like random stuff. All right, I'm gonna launch up the TikTok until around 11 a.m. We gotta put some music for the TikTok though. He tried to do 1,000 to mil, but I think blew it first day. Cause I remember one of the videos he even said like he wasn't using any risk management either in like his trades. So like a lot of the times he's just practically almost full porting. Woke up for this bullshit. It's crazy. I feel bad for people who actually got work and wake up early. I mean, if you really think about it, everybody has work and has to get up for this until they make it. That's just what it takes, bro. Just wait for Aro to walk away. Yeah, then we'll get some volatility as soon as I get off. Need AI to how are you gonna get AI to? I've actually seen like some people using the AI shit. Any trades yet? Nah, Roger. No trades today so far. What do you think is the best year to start trading? 100% like 2020 or 2021. 100%. You could have just bought and held and made a shit ton of money, or just bought longs biased and just made hella money. I mean, how old? Honestly, age is just a number.
That is long.
Well, you got it off that. That doesn't look too bad. Low calm demand zone. I'll give you a boost. I'll give you a boost. All right, guys. Mr. Market Makers, I'm hopping off. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna hop off. I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah, but I'll see you guys later. All right, now just give it like 5 minutes. Just let it cook.
Let it cook now.
See, it's cooking. It's cooking. No, you actually gotta get up for real. Only way it works. No, it's actually crazy how that happens though. Nah, see, I'm telling you. When I say it works. All right, never mind. Okay, now it's just playing around.
Just playing around.
I mean, if we go all the way up there too, that's good for me because I can get an opportunity. Who's good, Saf? Bias? I have a bullish bias. Are you holding the 200 SMA? What do you mean? We are. It's below us. Yeah, it's below us. But I'm not in this. I'm just I wanted to wait for my setup. High school fish tomorrow. W. You finished all your finals? My stop loss is your TP. My TP is your stop. All right. That's crazy. Maj wants to be exit liquidity today. Or you just trade? No, I'm just marking it out so we can look at it because, thing. Fortunately, we can't have multiple share screens. I'm just marking out so if you guys are also in this, you can see like what's going on. May the better Cooner win. Strat. What? Pre-market gooning made me prop. Okay. All right, buddy. I need this bad boy trade to cook so I can get it set up before we hop off in like 25 minutes. Gooning makes you profit. All right. Can we please lock in? Why do you believe it's gonna go long? I don't believe. It's just probabilities. I mean, I'm what's it called? I'm long bias because we're above the 200 EMA. That's my bias for longs. It's not that I'll be right every time, but I also won't be wrong every time. What's gold looking like? I've been seeing gold kind of follow the estimates pretty nicely sometimes. Like we had gold align with the estimates pretty good over here. As well. Got really close tap over here. And then gold moves too fast. I mean, gold does have like a, what's it called? Gold does have $100 per point. But gold's point move is really small. Like this entire drop down was like 20 points. Nah, Maj, the hate is crazy. ES, nice. The ES1, We hold hands and enter trades together. No, it's all fun and games.
Yeah, I haven't got stopped out yet.
But what do you mean about wind? I just lost big on anything. I don't. What do you mean? What do you mean, Tyler? Big on what? Should we get this to 10K likes in this live? 10K would be crazy. Well, Maj, you'd already hit your TP, so if this thing just runs in TP, then both sides win. Win tree? No, I don't look at win tree, Tyler. There aren't too many volatile futures markets. YM, the Dow is also really choppy. Hey, this is very choppy. We got the Russell 2000. Yo, we almost had one bando and likes. Oh, we had one bando W. What's my bias? Yearly, I have a bullish bias for today. But obviously right now is not a clear time for me personally to want to look for anything, so just likes would definitely meet W mans. I'm off -5 today. See you tomorrow. Take care, Dax. I'll see ya, brother. There was 1 point for your stop loss. Nah, Loki like inched it. It inched Papa Hunto's stop. Insane gold chart. Yeah, so on the gold, I don't look at the 30-second. On gold, I'm zooming it out to the 1 minute. But you're looking at the wrong gold chart, Everest. You're looking at um. Oh my god. I think you gotta zoom out to the. Wait, what? Which gold chart is hella active right now? Oh, it's the August chart. Yeah, you gotta look at GCQ, Everest. You have to look at GCQ. GCQ5, not GCM5. For some reason, the Q is the one. Are you still in that trade, Hunter? I think he's in that. I think he's still in that. Still delayed. What do you mean? If it's delayed, that means you ran out of your real time data. Take a blink. All right, what? Yo, we're at 2.5 bands and likes, baby. That's W. W Saf. Jesus Christ. Hey, yo. We are flying. Nah, that's crazy. Top Kazi hit the get off glitch. Should make me a mod, Aro? I'll make you a mod. W mans. How do I even do that? I really forgot how to do that.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Where's your brother Daryl? I have no idea. It's not my brother though. No, we got some random volatility. I need this to pump up here for my setup though. Hope it prints for Hunter. They even open trades right now? No, I don't. They got the same face shape, voice, similar name. Ain't no way. I mean, we're both Armenian. But we are homies, though. What you gonna do for that Galaxy? You already know, Guido. We gonna shake that on stream. Okay, no, we're not. We're not doing any of that. You know, there was 250K fund. Does he have to take an EVA for it? Yeah, obviously. I mean, how else would he how else would he get the funded, Saf? Yeah, I use Replicanto. I think it's cracked. Really, one time, you cop it. Yeah, you can copy multiple different forms, multiple different props as well. And there's no limit on how many. I think there's no limit on how many. How much is about for R? I'm curious. Let me see. I think I'm at like around 7. No, hold on. I'm at 5, around like 5 bands on each. This guy's a good trade. Appreciate you, Arek. Preach, fam. So, do you have? I trade with a 5 Saf. But I trade with bigger size because I have a buffer. Do you break out from this chop? Not yet. Bro, what is this? Yeah, we've had a really bad PA today. I'm not gonna lie. But this thing is inching to TP. It was inching to TP. Hey, WSAV Ref 4K. Now 6K more is crazy. We get to 5K, we're vibing. Bro's locked in on them likes. What was gold doing now? Oh, gold gave another setup off the SMAs. This one got real close to tapping. Or using one strat. Yeah, one strat. I don't have multiple strats for multiple accounts. At least for now. But that probably would be one smart thing to do if you're trading multiple strategies. Have some on one account and have another strategy on another account. One strat 150. Honestly, I haven't like lost my fundeds in a while to even have new accounts, but obviously I could cop more to get 150s, but I just don't like the drawdown to profit target ratio. If I were to get it, I'd probably go for 250 just cuz like why not? But yeah, I don't like the drawdown to profit target ratio when you're passing eval, but it's been a while since I've been on like eval. I can maybe try. I have to see. The only benefit of going increased size is by getting more kind of contracts people to trade with and more wiggle room. They should hit 50% off new deal. Yeah, what up? %50 of the new day opening gap. Wait, where was the gap? The safety net bus song. Yeah, it's 52,100 is like the minimum you need to be at after you get a payout. But that's fire, bro. I mean, that looks like it smacked really well. Have you tested it, Amir? Like back tested it across like a lot of trades? Oh, you already got 6+ pads? Yeah, I did. But I don't like to withdraw everything though. I like to keep my buffer. Just cause like even though I have kind of that option, I was trading on it for a while without having a buffer or without like following all the rules. So I don't want to switch things up completely. Probably stop trading fund. I'm gonna try September till they're only paper. What? Yeah, there's a lot. It's pretty choppy here and there. Motion needs like column will blow up. God, you can't rush, brother. You can't rush. What's up, Adrian? Currently trade? No, this is not. I'm not currently in trade, Audrey. This is just the S&D trade. I just marked up so you guys can see it. Market's open July and August. Yeah, bro, 100%. Why would it not be open? I'll be back, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be back. I'm back, fam. I'm back. I'm back. Damn, bro, this trade has been inching like TP and stop loss back and forth.
This trade is taking forever.
I mean, you did enter it in chop, so like, what'd you expect?
I thought that breakout though was gonna be the move.
Unfortunately, you're not market maker Oro, but it's okay. Gold did well, to be honest. Both my trades didn't fall on rules. Dog. What does that even mean, bro? It didn't do well then. Just wait till you take a loss. Oh shit, this trade banked too. Hey, yo, gold low-key cooked today with the strategy. We got 2 RR dub. We got another 1 RR dub. We got a 1 R loss. It's like we got almost 3.5 RR win. Gold cooked today. I might look at gold and see how that does. With at least my strat. Dog, Bruce, following the SMAs will not gonna lie, may have to re-enter and okay, buddy. You're cooked, buddy. Discussing conditions I'm thinking I'm talking for all. What? Oh, hit stop loss on that. Did you get stopped out? Yeah, it is what it is. W analysis. W following rules. It was a little choppy of a day today, but yeah, we did kind of pick up strength on that like move up though. I see what you're saying. Doc, what is this song playing? Yeah. Yeah, I don't got anything clear until we push up past this, but I don't think we'll get a trade in our trading window. Are you wrapping up soon? Yeah, I'm probably going to wrap up soon because we don't got much. We're really far down here. Just eyeballing gold. Gold's been doing pretty good, so we might have that kept in mind for potential future. Explain your strat at 10K likes? Saf, we'll save the explaining for post market. I got to dip out pretty soon, but W6K likes. On the post market stream, we'll go and explain the strat. Break it down for y'all. I mean, in terms of following the EMAs, it was well, but candle closes were not to enter on. Yeah, PA today was very back and forth. But yeah, boys, very choppy day today. Probably because we just have Trump speaking later, but we'll see. TikTok, we're gonna wrap it up here, boys. I'll catch you on the PM session. If you guys aren't in the Discord already, join up in there. We're live in there every single morning with the team, with the Discord live. All right, boys. I'll catch y'all later in TikTok. Peace out, y'all. Stay blessed, everybody. Discord. W day, y'all. Even if you took a loss, as long as you followed your rules, that's the only thing you can measure. Make sure you did follow your rules, win or loss, no matter what, and that's something to be proud about. If you guys broke the rules, then you got to go and reflect on it, all right? Even if you made money breaking the rules, that doesn't mean you did something right, all right? I'll catch y'all on the PM stream or tomorrow morning, same time, 9:20 a.m. if you guys are in there. Peace out, everybody. Stay blessed, y'all. Let's get it. Peace out, my boy Hunter.
Yeah.
Take care, brother. All right, YouTube. Let me see who's in here. All right, YouTube. We'll wrap it up. Do you do mentorship or training? Yes, Kiara, I do mentorship program. If you are interested in working one-on-one with me, you can book a call and see if you're a good fit for the program, and we can work with you. You can join that in my. If you go to my link tree in my YouTube profile, in my YouTube account bio, you can be able to book a call there and see if you're a good fit and if the program will help you out. All right, YouTube. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out, everybody. Stay blessed, y'all.